Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix the too many requests error 429 on Microsoft Outlook and regain access to your account in 2026. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. For one of the simple and the most effective ways to fix this is to wait and retry. You could wait 15 to 30 minutes or up to an hour, and after this, the server will just reset. And for the other methods is clearing your browser data. To clear your browser data, you must go to your settings. In order to go to your settings, find the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Now, scroll down until you see settings. Inside the settings, go to privacy and security, and scroll down once again until you see third-party cookies. Inside the third-party cookies, click See All Data and Permissions. In here, you can search for Outlook. After searching for Outlook, you can simply click on the bin icon and delete all of your cache files. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.